You are a reflection of who they would wish to become. You are eccentric. You are an enigma. You are charismatic. You march to the beat of your own drum. You are free-spirited. You are a leader. You're not afraid to stand alone. And there is someone, or there could be a few people that are fixated on you and your energy. There's something about the way you glow. I feel like it's just your essence that glows outwardly. And you are not afraid to walk alone. But when you do it with so much power, regalness, grace. You dress differently. You may talk differently. You may act differently. And for some of you, you can speak many different languages. And I feel also that you are the type of person that can connect with anyone from all walks of life. You are down to earth, you're humble, you're funny, you're charismatic, you're attractive, you're beautiful, you're handsome. And people are just drawn to this essence that you possess. It's otherworldly. It's never to be seen before, especially by these individuals. And instead of them learning from you, they want to diminish you. For some of you, they try to block you out of situations, try to hide you, try to not tell you about certain situations so that you don't take the limelight off them. Very threatened by you. This person feels like a plain Jane in comparison to you, regardless if they're a feminine or a masculine. They're trying to seek their inner magic. We all possess inner magic, TikTok, but this individual just feels like, why them and not me? They feel very confused as to why people are drawn to you, because they feel that they should get all the adoration, all the praise, all the attention, and they feel like you are taking the attention off them. You are very regal. You are a king. You are a queen. Could have raw ancestry somewhere down the line. You're powerful. Your presence is strong. It's commanding. And you are a person that is not afraid to stay in touch with your childlike qualities. And you always try to nurture your inner child. You're very free-spirited. You're very playful. You're very energetic. And you are something that, you're always on the go, always doing something, highly independent. You always move with purpose. And these individuals see how people are moving towards you with purpose. A lot of people want to, love you, date you, take care of you. A lot of people like you. You're very liked. You're very loved. And it makes this person extremely angry, almost to the point where the jealousy consumes them. Actually breaks their heart to know that you're getting all this attention. And it's because you pour into yourself, and how you treat yourself is how others will treat you. This person is extremely jealous of you. They fixate on you. This person could be very judgmental. Prejudice is what I'm hearing also. This person's never come across someone like you. You are otherworldly. You are magical. You are not of this world. It highlights to them about who they are not. And they will continue to watch. They will continue to watch you being loved and adored. And instead of learning from you, they choose to dislike you. But while they continue to dislike you, they will witness more and more and more people loving you. Take care of yourself, TikTok family. Peace out.